Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you a free website which will help you make $650 daily. The website that I'm going to show you guys is called G2.com. And it helps you to choose the right software and services for your business based on 700 plus authentic, timely reviews from real users. Scroll down and you will see many categories of software, and all you need to do is to review them and give your opinion about how they work, and then you will get paid. Scroll down and click on Write a Review. And then you will be redirected to this page where you will see the steps on how to leave a review for a specific software. Step 1, you have to select a software. Step 2, leave your honest review. Step 3, share it. And step 4, you will now start making money. As you can see, there is a lot of categories of software that you can choose from. In this video, I'm gonna choose information technology. And after that, you will be redirected to this page where you will find different software that are under the category of information technology, and you can choose every software you want to review. So let's, for example, choose this software called Drum and click on Continue. Then click on Review. Now you will be redirected to this page where you need to sign up and register first in order to review the selected software. Click on the Continue to log in. After clicking that, you'll be forwarded here on this page where you will have the option to register using your LinkedIn and Google account or use business email. After creating an account, you will have access to start giving opinions on every selected software so that you can earn money in return. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.